Albion College is fortunate to have, a piece of land that's within walking distance of campus. From the college's perspective, they benefit a lot from, just getting the kids in a different learning venue, getting them outdoors.
I just thought it was really cool by like how much they integrate the community into it, and how hard Dave works to like get awareness of nature and like what it can do for you.
I think first and foremost, this is an extension to the classroom.
It's a good way to kind of connect students who don't come from backgrounds where they have a lot of exposure to nature, to expose them to nature, and also provides like a place for kids who just kind of want to get out of the everyday like busyness of life.
I mean, anytime that I need to be refreshed or, just, you know, take a deep breath and kind of get back, um, to what, my passion is.
Being outside is a really big part of like kind of I think being an independent, free-thinking person, and so that's why nature's always been a big thing for me, even since I was a little kid.
I think that fresh air is really important, and it will help a lot with your happiness.
It kind of just refreshes, my soul.
We kind of lose sight of the fact that there's also this already beautiful place that we all live in.
Having the Kalamazoo River run through the property, I think there's so many opportunities, that we have for educating, as well as just, every moment of the day, there's something different.
Prize the natural spaces and the shorelines most of all, because once they're gone, with rare exceptions, they're gone forever. In our bones, we need the natural curves of hills, the scent of chaparral, the whisper of the pines, the possibility of wilderness. We require these patches of nature for our mental health and for our spiritual resilience.